Yeah.
I mean, we all go through them, you know.
Yeah.
But it's like whether we remain in them, you know, that's like right now one of the big things that's in the world is like hedonism, right? The desire to constantly be satisfying your physical needs, you know, in a pleasure seeking way, right? And it's, you know, obviously there's different kinds of pleasures that we all enjoy, right? And some of them are totally fine. You know, I was saying earlier that I'm craving donuts, right? There's nothing wrong with having a donut here and there, right? But there's this need to constantly be feeding, you know, the physical pleasures. And that's basically like those are all the lower levels of the human needs. You know, those are people who are having difficulty being able to achieve the higher levels of self-actualization, of being able to have a bigger impact on the world, because they're really just interested in like they might do some of those things. It's a selfish act. Yeah. They might do those things by accident or as a byproduct, but they're not really aiming for those type of things.
Oh, I see.
You know, so it's really kind of an interesting thing psychologically when you look at people's behavior. But that's part of what I try to look at when I'm kind of evaluating the situation, like right now with COVID-19, or evaluating like brands, or doing like sharing content. It all has to do with like this interesting psychological interplay of factors and ideas, and I'm like super fascinated with that kind of stuff.